Pros of dishwasher. Compact size ideal for small spaces. The Hermitlux's compact dimensions, 16.85 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, make it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, or RVs, conserving valuable space. Versatile loading capacity with special holders. Despite its size, it has a 4-place setting capacity and efficient utensil organization with special baskets, ideal for small loads. Diverse washing programs for different needs. Offers 4 washing programs for dishes, standard, quick, eco, and strong, providing versatility for various dishwashing requirements. High temperature cleaning and drying. Achieves up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for deep, sanitary cleaning with a PTC hot air drying mechanism, suitable for oily dishes and baby products. No installation hassles. Features dual water supply modes with a built-in 5L tank for flexibility and ease of placement, eliminating installation requirements. Quiet operations for peaceful environments. Operates at a low noise level of 50 dB, ideal for open-plan homes or nighttime use without causing disturbances. Efficient and user-friendly interface. The clear LED display and top touch controls offer ease of use and accessibility, enhancing user experience. Portable and perfect for travel. A built-in 5L water tank and 26.4 pounds weight ensure portability, making it suitable for camping or road trips. Easy maintenance with detachable filter. Simple maintenance with an anti-clogging funnel and detachable filter, allowing easy cleaning and preventing drain blockage. Aesthetic and clean design. Sleek, all-white design with a solid door, seamlessly fitting into various kitchen decors and adding elegance. Safety and high-temperature cleaning. Reaches up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for effective sanitation, ensuring dishes are free from harmful bacteria or pathogens. Energy and water efficient. Although not Energy Star rated, it's efficient with 5 liters of water per cycle and 950 watts of power consumption, reducing water and energy usage. Cons of dishwasher. Limitations for larger households and frequent hosts. Inadequate for larger families or hosts due to its 4-place setting capacity, requiring more frequent runs or leaving dishes unwashed. No stainless steel material, made of plastic, not as durable or odor resistant as stainless steel, and more prone to discoloration and retaining stains. Not Energy Star rated, lacks Energy Star certification, potentially leading to higher energy costs and less environmental friendliness compared to certified models. No advanced features, missing modern amenities like delay start, hard food disposer, rinse aid indicator, built-in water softener, or Wi-Fi connectivity, limiting convenience and functionality. No safety locks or overflow protection. The absence of child safety locks and overflow protection may pose risks, especially in households with young children or potential water damage. Not suitable for larger dishes. Limited capacity for dishes over 10.25 inches, restricting its use for larger plates or specialty cookware. Manual cleaning of the filter. Requires regular manual cleaning of the detachable filter to maintain performance and prevent odors, adding to maintenance efforts.